Gadget Junkie here with the camera gadget for you today. In this video, I'm featuring this Insta360 X4 Air starter bundle. For transparency, I bought this with my own money. This is not a sponsored video. So what I'm going to do for you guys is just do a quick unboxing for you so you can see what's inside the starter bundle and give you my initial thoughts on it. If you're ready, let's get into it. All right, guys, so let's open this up and see what's inside now. So Insta360 X4 Air starter bundle. And there's a look at the content. So you're gonna get your camera. This is a very compact camera. Fits very well in the palm of my hand. Feels pretty solid. Nice feeling camera. This is my very first 360 camera, my very first Insta360 camera as well. It does come with a lens protecting cover there, an extra battery. You get your invisible selfie stick. And looks like some accessories here. You're going to get USB-C to USB-C charging cable, probably a data transfer cable as well. This here appears to be a case, the manual, and some other accessories in there. So I'm excited about getting this thing here up and running, but that's what you have there, guys. Insta360 X4 Air. I'll be doing a more detailed review on the product as I start getting some usage with it, but as of right now, I am pleasantly pleased.